Di hadapan Sekretaris Jenderal Persatuan Bangsa-Bangsa Antonio Guterres, Presiden Prabowo Subianto menyatakan siap mengirim pasukan untuk mengatasi genosida di Palestina jika dibutuhkan. Demikian disampaikan Prabowo saat melakukan pertemuan bilateral dengan Antonio Guterres di Brasil pada Minggu 17 November. Lanjut Prabowo, Indonesia berkomitmen untuk mendukung seluruh usaha PBB dalam menjaga stabilitas dan perdamaian. Ia pun menghargai dengan penuh rasa hormat atas konsistensi PBB dalam menegakkan perdamaian, keadilan, dan hukum internasional.
First of all, Your Excellency, Secretary General of the United Nations, His Excellency Mr. Antonio Guterres, thank you very much for meeting with us today in the middle of your very busy schedule. I understand you flew 20 hours from Baku, so I really appreciate this meeting. We really appreciate, respect, and support your consistent stand to uphold international peace, international justice, international law. This is really uplifting for us that you are consistent in this. And for us, your stand on many of the issues of concern in this present situation, especially the issue of food security, poverty, the issue of human rights violations, violations of international law, especially in Palestine. And we reaffirm Indonesia's commitment to support all United Nations efforts, and we are willing to support. For instance, we are on record as saying that we will support peacekeeping forces in the event there's a possibility of ceasefire and the need for internationally mandated peacekeeping forces. We are ready to provide the forces.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.